if I'm evaluating functions, the first thing I do is I look, and this gives me two pieces of information. It says what function to use. So this tells me I'm going to use this function, f of x, and it tells me to plug in -5. So I'm going to take this f of x and this equation, and instead of the x, I'm going to plug in -5. So I'm going to copy down -3. This says -3 times x, so I'm going to make it -3 times -5, and then bring down -7. And then I'm going to just do the math here. Negative times negative is positive. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. One more example. This tells me to use the g function, this equation, and it tells me to take that equation and plug in -3. So I'm going to write 5, and this says 5 times x, but instead of x, I'm putting -3. Positive times negative is negative. 5 times 3 is 15. That's -15 plus 4. And -15 plus 4 is -11. Down here on the graph, okay, if you want, you could pause the video and try these two problems. But on the graph, what you need to remember is that it's always x on the inside of the parentheses, and it equals the y value. Okay, so if there's an x value here, this is -4. I'm going to go along the x-axis. I'm going to find -4. I'm going to see, where's the graph? It's right here. What's the y value there? The y value at this point is 8. So this is 8. Here, right, the input of this function is -4, the x value, and the output is 8. Over here, if the x value is 3, I'm going to go to x value of 3. Where's the graph? Oh, it's actually right here, and that y value is 0. What about f of 2? This means I'm going to 2 on the x-axis. Go find the graph. Where is the graph? This point right here, right? Like, think what that point is. That point is 2, 1, where the x value is 2 and the y value is 1. And it looks like this. And go ahead and try these problems.